Hello boys and girls. Today we have focused on Vasily Kandinsky, and we know that when he was painting and drawing he was very much inspired by the music that he listened to. So that's what we're going to do today, but we're actually going to make a three-dimensional, a relief artwork in the style of Kandinsky. This is an example with a black circle, and I'm going to show you the other example with a white circle, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how you're going to create your very own project in the style of Kandinsky today. So I'm going to move this to the side, and I'm just going to work on a colour piece of paper here, okay? So what you're going to receive is a sheet of black and a sheet of white paper, and you're going to get a circle to trace. Now you're going to decide which one you want to trace, whether you want to trace the circle on the white paper or the black paper. The choice is yours. When you choose which paper, set the circle in the center as best as you can, and with your pencil I want you to go around that edge, okay? Then you don't need that circle anymore. If you need to, pass it to your shoulder partner. With your scissors you're going to cut that circle out, but you're not going to go from the outer edge. You're going to watch how I do it here. I'm going to get my pencil, I'm going to pop it into the circle that I've drawn. Do you see? In the center of that circle. It gives me room now to actually put my scissor blade into the hole that I've punctured, and I'm going to go to the edge of that line that I drew, and I'm going to cut my circle out so that I create a frame with a window. So I'm going to go round and round and round, cut that out, okay? Now the circle that I'm cutting out I can discard, I don't need that, so that can go into the recycling. What I need is the outer edge, basically the negative space. So I'm going to just do that, get rid of that. So here, discard, don't need that. I'm going to show you one that I did earlier. I'm going to use my white sheet of paper, and I'm going to set my black paper on top like that. Okay? I'm going to glue those two pieces of paper together. So now I've got a white circle with black paper, or if you want to do it the other way, this is how it looks, the black paper with the white circle. The choice is yours. Next thing, please make sure your name is on the back at this point of the white paper or the black paper, depending on which one you chose. You are then going to get white foam shapes. They are all cut randomly, and you can see here. And you're going to get a box of Sharpies to share. Now with your shapes, I'm going to show you here, you are going to create lines, shapes and patterns. And you're going to colour each shape that you've created, make them unique, but I want you to be inspired by the music that we're listening to. And when you've made maybe 3 or 4, depending on the size, you're going to randomly place them, create a pattern. Don't glue them down until you've got that design working for you. You can make them smaller, make them larger. They could even go off the page. There we go. When you've got the design working for you, you're going to glue those down. When they are glued down, you're going to go up to the table, and I have lots of spools of ribbon, and you're going to cut just short pieces of ribbon. You don't need an awful lot. And across the ribbon you're going to place it, measure it, trim it, set it down, put glue on the back and stick it down. We're going to use glue sticks for this project, okay, so we don't need liquid glue. So I'm just going to show you here, that's why I've got my green paper so I can lean on it. You'll be using your tag board, boys and girls. I'm just going to put a line of glue, and you'll see. And you can do different thicknesses of ribbon, different colours, okay? And make it that it goes around your shapes. And when you've got that all done, you've completed your Kandinsky relief artwork. There you go, boys and girls. Now it's your turn. Let's go make some art.